Hello everyone, welcome back. We would like to write a program that asks the user to input the current weather condition and then suggests an activity. For example, if the weather is sunny, go for a walk. Here is the enum that is suggested. So define an enum for weather conditions: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and snowy. Here is my enum. Using the keyword enum, I'm declaring it. So the name of the enum is weather, and it has these 5 elements: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and snowy. So we learned that if I don't type down sunny equals 0, it is going to by default consider sunny to be 0, rainy 1, cloudy 2, 3 for windy, and 4 for snowy. Here I'm showing this message to the user. Enter weather conditions 0, 1, 3, 2, 3, and 4. For example, if it's snowing, type down 4. If it's windy, type down 3. If it's cloudy, type down 2. If it's rainy, type down 1. And if it's sunny, type down 0. And whatever the user is going to enter is going to be stored in this integer variable weather condition. And we are having the switch statement, and the condition in the parentheses, the statement there is the weather condition variable that the user is going to enter. Then in case the user enters 0, this sunny case is going to be implemented. Why? Because sunny equals 0. Here sunny is the first element, therefore by default it equals 0. Weather condition is 0, therefore these two are equal, so this line of code is going to be implemented. So the weather is sunny, okay, go for a walk, this message is shown. If the weather is rainy, it is going to say stay indoors and read a book. If it's cloudy, perfect for taking photos. If it's windy, fly a kite. And then if it's snowy, build a snowman. And if neither of them is entered, show this message in the output saying that invalid weather condition. So when I run this code, we see that it says enter weather condition 0 for sunny, 1 for rainy. So I would say 0. It says sunny, go for a walk. This one is implemented. If I enter 1, it says stay indoor and read a book. This one is implemented, okay, which is true. Then if I enter 2, it says cloudy, perfect for taking pictures. Here, this one is implemented because cloudy equals 2, its index equals 2, and weather equals 2 because we entered 2, so it is stored in this variable. Therefore, because these two are equal, so this case is true, and we're going to have this message in the output. If I have number 3, it says fly a kite, so it's windy. Okay, and finally, if I mention snowy, if I type down 4, it means that the weather is snowy. It says build a snowman. And if I enter any other number, for example 6, it is going to show this message to me saying that invalid weather condition because the number that I entered is 6, and 6 is in neither of these cases. So this is how we can create an enum for weather conditions: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and snowy. And then ask a user to enter the equivalent of these numbers that we define for them. For example, we tell them if the weather is snowy, you need to type down 4 because the enum is taking snowy with the index 4 because it's the 5th element and it starts from 0. And then if the user is going to enter 4, 4 is stored in the weather condition variable, and snowy already equals to 4 because it's the 5th element, and this one is 4. So these two are equal, therefore this case is true, and this message is going to be shown in the output to the user. Build a snowman. Thank you for watching.